Take off your slippers, go and run.
I do want.
Just run and come back.
Honestly, you serious?
Yeah, take off your slippers, training time. Run, go to the post and come back. Run. Run, D. Watch the Kenyan running. Yeah, come back. See how much you can do. From there to here is one. From there to here is one.
I'm tired, guys.
Let me see you the press up. Yeah, go on D. Go on D. 5 press up. 1, 2. Wait, don't hit the ground. Don't hit.
Kira, you want to kill me?
Alright, run and come back now. Run and come back. Alright, watch. This one I'm gonna pull up myself on this.
Of course, look. Kira, you don't even need to climb, we just jump.
Just jump. That's Kellyanne. Coconut powder. And we have the season to the board. So this is going to season to the grain. You understand? So right now, let's get the season in. You know how the thing go. Get the season in.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink savor. Every day them Pas de soleil, pas de soleil. Pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil, pas de soleil.
Well. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love. You know. Today, feel like with some seasoned rice. Look at this ackee tree. The ackee tree is fulfilling. Ackee tree, I did think these ackee are ready. Oops, this one look away. Hold on. Ackee look away. Ackee look away. Alright. Ackee ground up. I still gotta pick it, so I'm gonna make it rotten upon the tree. This is no good. As you can see, this one's no good. This one is alright. This is no good. That is no good. That is good. Yes, guys. So if you're watching King Life in Jamaica, you haven't subscribed, you know, remember to subscribe or remember to hit that like button when you're watching, you know. So today I feel like we eat some ackee seasoned rice. You know, you ever eat ackee seasoned rice before? Yeah, that's what I feel like to eat today. Some ackee seasoned rice. So that's what we're gonna prepare today. You know, that's what's gonna happen. So this ackee tree, remember one time we just came these today, was it no ackee in the tree, but now it's pure ackee right now. You know, so here's another. This is unreached. You know, but the thing is I don't even have an ackee stick. There's no ackee stick. So you have ackee here, ackee there, ackee there. Ackee are open, so you cannot make the ackee them spoil and the tree. So the man them over there putting work on the next tree house. You know, guys, so look, he's putting in work over there on the next tree house over there. You know, so look, you have one tree up here and the next one will be over there. So you know, say if you want to rent for your whole family, you know, if a group of owner come down to Jamaica and decides to have the experience of living into a tree house, you have 2 houses gonna be joined together. So it's gonna be a big old family get together. So see the more Ackee here. These Ackee are ripe and ready. So Ackee, so it's there. This door costs $1. Look, not even $1. This costs right now nothing at all. Like B, that said this costs nothing. Nothing. You see? How can people suffer in Jamaica? Right now, if not money and we only have $50, say $100 only, right? I'm gonna pick 5 Ackee. All I need to buy is a pound of rice and a little butter. If me not have, and I know I can get seasoning from your neighbor. You can get seasoning from your neighbor and everything, and you can cook Ackee and rice, and that's a belly full. You know, you see why people cannot suffer in Jamaica? Because of Ackee. Ackee grow right through the year, you know, right through the year. It's a fruit that grow right through the year. So imagine this with a pound of rice and a little butter. You don't even have to add any saltfish if you don't have the money to buy the saltfish. But just have this with a pound of rice and butter. You cannot complain. You know, if you don't have season, remember this is Jamaica. You can go and knock your neighbor and ask your neighbor. You have a carrot they can get, anything at all. You know, your neighbor not gonna say no. Because this is Jamaica. We all know our neighbors. It's not like you're not foreign and you don't know your neighbor. In Jamaica, you know your neighbor, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. That's how it is. If you don't have butter, you can go beg your neighbor look for butter. You know, in Jamaica style, if you don't have no butter, you can use a bit of coconut oil, you know, to put in the rice. And that's how it is, right? So we don't have no Ackee stick. That one they kind of far, so now we'll climb the tree, I guess. I don't have no Ackee stick. No Ackee stick at all. So I have to go climb this tree, guys. So that's what I have to do right now. Hold on, let me walk and look if I see any stick. So we have 2, 4, 6, 7 Ackee already. This one is no good. So let's stay one over right there. Let me see if any more Ackee there below where you can pick. There's so much. You need an Ackee stick. Need a stick. Let me see them have any over here. Let me see them have any over here. I need a stick. Pick some Ackee. So this is what they're doing the tree house, as I can see how far them reach. But where can I find an Ackee stick? I can create one hook, create something to pick the Ackee. Ding 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 ding. Yeah, Ackee stick. So, this is how far they reach here in the tree house. Yeah. The roofing, wow, it's big in here. Nice. Nice work, General.
Yes.
It's looking good.
Yes,
It's looking good. So guys, so this is the tree right here. You can see right in the ground. This is the tree. What's this, an Ackee tree? This one, is this an Ackee tree, right? Look like an Ackee tree. Yeah, an Ackee tree. Big. So there's a 1 room bathroom
One room, 2 bathroom,
Oh, 1 room, 2 bathroom,
kitchen and wash.
kitchen and washroom. So what do you got space? I look for one stick for pick ackee. Pick some ackee off of the tree. Oh, how we can create one?
Okay, I'm going to stick up one.
Can I use a nail and bend the nail pan and stick though? For your hook.
Yeah.
You have a nail? Use one of them long stick there. You have to go bend like a hook. Improvise. So the board now we use on the floor. Now what type of board is this on the flooring? What type of board is this? Cedar. Right, so don't want to drop through here. Cedar. Yeah, but it is nice. Yeah. Yeah, man. There's no longer than this. I'm put a nail on it and bend it. I mean tall already, so I have enough height to extend it. Just like that. Quick and fast. Yeah, respect. You see guys, that's like that, quick and fast. So here I got my hacky stick to go pick some hacky now. Come tell us some seasoned rice I got it right now. Seasoned to the bone rice. That is it. Yeah, so see there? Got my ackee stick. You know, it's a makeshift one and quick one. It's very broad. You know, let's create something quick. You know, give thanks to the man and say it's heavy. So ackee I get picked now. Let me lean it up right here. So guys, so stay tuned and watch me picking ackee with this board. It's a bit broad, as I can see. It is really broad. Very broad one. But it's gonna work. It is definitely going to work. Like our dream team motto, we will make it work. Rasta Jack said we make it work. Yeah man, so we're gonna make it work. So you've seen some ackee. So we are gonna make it work. Ackee we are picked and we are gonna make it work. Work. So tell me guys, would you live in a tree house? Could you really live into a tree house? So let's go get some ackee now. Ready now. Alright. Ackee drop. And the thing is with this meal, it cook them so good. This now have a lot of ackee on it, so I have to be careful to pick the one that circle yourself now, man. Oh gosh. I'll get both open and close. So another one here again. Season the rice. So we're done season this to the bone with some coconut milk. You know? But I'm just gonna use mainly vegetable. No fish. Put inside of it. 1, 2, 3. Imagine all these Ackees are free to pick. I imagine how much them sell them for. So guys, look, we pick the bunch here, but end up picking these ones. Sorry, Ackee. Sorry, Ackee. So, how much you have now? 4, 7, 10, 14 Ackee. Dozen and 2. We'll get some more. I'm cooking Ackee Caesar rice. You know, not rice and Ackee. So the Ackee has the more than the rice. Calm down. I wonder what that try to run. Alright, at least I never pick the whole bunch of this one. Alright. Alright. There's so much Ackee, so because the rain fall as well too. There's so much Ackee here. And me too. That is it. Guys, so tell me if this is enough. This must be enough, right? Should I get some more? Should I get some more? Let's get some more. This is what the country life is like. Grow up in the country, I cook Ackee and rice. Get the onion and get the spice, yeah. Living the country life, you know, say everything nice. So this is what the country life is like. Grow up in the country, I cook Ackee and rice. Let's link up and go and get the spice, yeah. Cooking Caesar rice without the African spice. Na 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 na. Alright guys, so yeah. So you have to sing with the Ackee. So when you sing under the Ackee tree and smile, you see the Ackee open. So remember, this one just closed a while ago. So you must sing, it's open up. One open, one close. And I go sing for that one and smile. So it open its eyes.
Yeah, you can't climb the tree, Kino. Why?
Why do I need to climb the tree and I got something?
I come and climb for you.
Alright, go and climb D. Here's D. Go and climb
Hey
D.
guys, how you doing?
Go and climb. Climb for me, go on.
Climb for you?
Show me how you do it in the village.
It's easy to climb the tree and get the apple.
Listen, I can't climb
But why are you not climbing?
because it's easier to use a stick.
No.
Alright, go on then. Let me
Easy
see.
to climb.
Go on then. Sure. Hey, go on D.
Wait, I need to look.
You need to
I
look.
need to look good.
You need to put on my shoes and climb then. Wait.
Shoes?
No shoes?
Why you don't want to climb, Kino?
Climb it then.
You see, there are plenty of Ackees there. When you
Exactly.
climb, you get holy pa Ackee.
Alright, climb then. Climb.
Guys, how you doing? I'm doing good. D Mwango over here. Kino is in my yard. And they have holy pa
Ackee.
Ackee. It's the season. Kino smiled and they opened
And they open.
immediately.
Imagine that. I smile and it open. You know?
Guys, I'm doing some editing. Let me finish, then I'll come climb.
No, climb now.
I climb now.
Yeah.
Really?
Of course, climb, let us see. Teach
If
me.
I climb, I won't go finish my editing.
Well, of course, just climb, go up and come back down.
Editing.
Just teach us to climb now. Alright?
I don't want to mash up my. You know, the moment I climb and I'm doing this.
No, but
Yeah.
you don't have to do that.
Eh?
Just do it like I
No,
was just
because
doing
if
it.
I do this, you see,
Alright, what you need to do is
let me dress properly and come. Let me put on a trouser.
Alright. Because what you need to do is get to this slim where you can
Yeah.
pull yourself up.
Yeah, but look, going up, you have to, you know, like hug the tree and keep going. So my thighs will be like scratched.
It's not jelly tree, this is hacky tree. You don't have to hug the tree. You just hold onto a limb
And
go up.
I'm coming.
Yeah. So guys, so she's gonna put on her trousers and come climb it. It's easy for me to climb. But I'd rather not climb it, I just use a stick. No, less work. Because for me to climb it, all I have to do is hold on to this and pull myself up. And I'm there. Quick and fast. So quick, so fast. So let me pick up these Ackee when you have already. So far. This. Yeah, so guys, so that's what I'm saying. I'm gonna cook this seasoned rice. We just got pumpkin, you know, okra. No, just season the pot. Because no saltfish or anything. Because we're here editing, but just because I've seen so many open Ackee, I know it's food. Food can never be enough, so why not? Why not? So this is why we're cooking them right now. Food can never be enough, so that's why I'm picking these Ackee right now. Look at how many Ackees are picked already. So imagine this. This is a pot. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 Ackee. Right? Then we get 4 more, we get 2 dozen. So it's a lot, and there's so much Ackee in the tree. What's up, D? Alright, come here. Come show you to climb. Come hold the camera, let me show you. Let me show you, come quick. Okay. Din. So, if I'm gonna climb it, I just hold on to this.
Of course you'll be there within no time and you are tall.
That's why it's pointless with me climbing it.
Okay, climb quick. But you know when you climb it will be easy for you to get all the Ackee quick and fast.
Yeah, some of them, not everything.
Yeah.
Some of them. Alright, watch. This now I'm just pull up myself on this.
Of course, look. You don't even need to climb, you just jump.
Just jump.
I tell you, being tall is such a good thing.
Yeah, hold it. Let me pick these two.
It's such a good thing.
Let me pick these two. So guys,
Come on, so that they don't go down. Yeah, like that.
look behind you.
Yeah?
Look behind you.
Oh wow, plenty of Ackee.
Exactly. So I already got enough.
No, but you rather just get enough, then we can give them out. And Kino's premiere is going down, 1.1 people watching.
Look at Ackee. Look at this big one.
Woo, that's so big. Let me catch it. Hey! Kino thought I couldn't catch it. Guys, I always tell Kino I grew up in the countryside, but Kino doesn't get it. He still doesn't know I'm a real country girl. But every day when we talk, even today morning, I was giving him stories. But he still doesn't know.
Why I doesn't know?
You don't get it. You see? Nothing falls down.
Well, you never climb any Ackee tree though in your countryside.
In my countryside?
No Ackee.
We don't have Ackee in my countryside. Guys, soon we are going to Africa. Do, Kino.
So.
Do. Kino. Guys, if Kino doesn't go to Africa, please come for him. Come for him on the videos everywhere, and ask him why you didn't go with D to Africa. You know, if he doesn't go, guys, you know the tingo. We have to go for him in Trench Town with the chariot. and ask him why you didn't go Africa. So if Kino doesn't go, he needs to explain in diagrams. Guys, you don't know the tingo. Kino, I've told them earlier, if you don't make it, You'll have to. You nearly dropped Kino. Honestly, if you don't make it to Africa, you'll explain in diagrams. So it'll come for you in a chariot.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course.
Of course we're going.
So guys, if I don't make the trip, forgive me.
No, Kino, stop it, no man.
Stop it, no man.
If you don't make it, you have to explain it.
Alright, so guys, so I'm just getting off Ackee.
Okay, I'm going to finish editing
So
my video.
So this is gonna finish edit. So you see our climate like a ninja?
Yeah, big and fast.
Come fast.
Because you are tall.
Excuse no. So guys, this is enough Ackee. I don't need no more. This look at this one. This one is big. Ackees. So that is enough. This is enough Ackee for seasoned rice. That is it. Oh. I'm sorry for these three. Sorry for these ones. You know, these one didn't open, but through the stick, you got the hook and the stick. So just throw it over here. Hopefully they can open sooner or later. I have another Ackee tree over here across. So that is it. So here what now, we're gonna go and prepare the Ackee, you know, and then I will show you the preparation of the Ackee and how everything turns out. So as I'm saying, please don't judge my Ackee seasoned rice because I'm not using no saltfish. Not we're just doing a run boat style. But this is a run boat, so we're only gonna use what we got, and what we got is what we're gonna use. So it's a run boat style, right? Cause we here, we never leave the community today, right? We never get to go on the road to buy the right ingredients and everything for it. So we're doing a run boat style with these Ackee. You know it goes when you're running boat. Who can go get the season? Who can get rice? Who can get butter? Who can get water? Who can get salt? Who can get the onion or the pepper? And you know, once you bring something, you get some of the food. You know, that's how we used to do it growing up. Once you can get something, if you bring one pepper, you know you get some food. If you bring a tomato, you know you're gonna get some food. If you bring a piece of butter, you know you're gonna get some food. And if you bring the pot, you're definitely gonna get some food. You know, so if you bring skeleton time, you're gonna get some food. That's how it is when you're running boat. If you can give $20, you get some food. You know, who remember those days when you're running boat with your friends and everyone go bring something, you know? So you bring something, you get something. So that's how we used to run boat in our young days. So this is it. So stay tuned. Alright guys, the real crunchy girl is here.
I'm getting the Ackee out of the skin. You don't know the tingo. This is how we do it.
So the real country girl from the village is helping me out.
Of course.
So guys, as I said, this is called run boat style.
Run boat style?
Yeah, because remember, we never went out to get the proper ingredients that we're gonna need.
No, I have seasoning to the bone. There's tomatoes, onions.
That's what we're gonna use. But normally you can get more stuff.
All-purpose. What else? We have everything, Kino.
Pumpkin finish.
No, it's there.
It's there?
Yeah.
And what else?
Coconut powder. Everything.
Alright, so
all lip ingredients.
it's called a run boat.
Now I'm a real Jamaican, guys. I know how to cook. Ackee, prepare everything. Kino taught me. Kino is my teacher.
So guys, you know, everybody cook different, right? So I'm gonna cook this Caesar rice the way I cook it.
Guys,
Not how you cook it. Go on.
You see here where I'm living, there's Ackee everywhere. If you go, like you see, every corner there's a lot of Ackee.
Yeah,
you can't believe, if you go to Kingston, the Ackee that I'm having right now is like 500 up. Kino.
Yeah.
500 up.
And how much for this one that you're picking now?
Hey, this is so fresh, I'm telling you.
And so free.
I don't buy Ackee because my yard, I have everything. Go to Kingston, you'll buy this 500 up. Almost 800, 1000 for this Ackee. And remember, this is fresh from the tree.
Yeah. This is enough still. We never need any more.
We don't need any more. This look big. Look, guys, fresh and clean. Look at that. Welcome to Jamaica. I'm so blessed. I'm so lucky. My gated community has everything, including the river. You'll watch in the next video, guys. Or you've already watched on Kino's channel.
With the river.
Yes. So when Kino is around, trust. It's a
Life
of
sweet.
fresh life is sweet. I rarely cook.
Yes.
Kino is always in the kitchen cooking. So when you see me adding weight, just know.
So guys, as you can see, the African empress, you know, see the fingers, she cannot cook. Cannot cook. As you can see, look at the nails. Cannot cook, you know. So she forgot about the country village life. You know, she's living the celebrity life. Cannot cook. Nails all done.
Even the legs, everything.
Even the legs. Everything done. Imagine that.
So Kino was laughing and he's like, "Dee, you came Jamaica and changed everything."
Everything gone.
Everything
So
gone.
imagine it, not even the edge she cannot take out. So she said, Keen, I got nails. You cannot, you know? Imagine that.
Kino, you're selling me off. You're selling me off, and I was just telling you as a joke, and you said it, guys. You see? Kino is a betrayer.
What's that, ants? Mosquito.
Mosquito.
That's not mosquito. Mosquito?
Yeah.
But you know, around here don't have much mosquito still.
Yeah, like other places.
Other
So look,
places,
a whole bowl of
lot.
fresh Ackee. That's a lot. That's
That's a
plenty.
lot. So,
So I finished. Now I wanna
over the bush.
over the bush.
Yeah.
That's how you do it.
Yeah. You can go over the bush. Come. Over there.
See, I carry more than you.
Over the bush. You have to go up in the bush.
Why? So that it grows more?
Ah, we can throw it, look. Come, put it over here where they was burning this. I guess they was burning this bush here. These sticks.
When Kino is around, all is well.
Yeah, so they was burning there. So.
All is well.
They're not biting me. Oh, they're not biting
Because
me.
my blood is sweet.
We have different them say this blood is coming from Africa. It's not Jamaica. Imagine
They're
the mosquito got
They know.
no, they got 3D vision.
3D vision.
Yeah.
They're not biting you, but they're on me.
Yeah, because they can see right through and say, wait,
Hey, another one.
another one.
I need to go in the house quick and fast because right now my skin is good because I'm not exposed to
You
mosquitoes.
see unusual blood
Yeah.
to that X-ray vision. I'm like, wait, she's not from Jamaica.
We're done, guys. Done.
Today that's gonna burn, guys. So that's where there was burning fire before. So
I've added so much weight. You know, she'll start training me.
you got the strip. Go on, run and come back.
Oh, yeah.
Run, go straight down and come back. Take off your shoes. Take off your slippers. Go on, run.
I do want.
Just run and come back.
Honestly, you serious?
Yeah, take off your slippers. Training time. Run, go to the post and come back. Run. Run, D. Watch the Kenyan running. Yeah, come back. You see how much you can do. From there to here is one. From there to here is one.
I'm tired, guys.
Have one. Go on again. Work again. Come on, run for Kenya. Do it for Kenya. So, come on, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop, don't stop. Don't stop.
I'm tired, guys.
Don't stop, come, press up. Come to press up. 5 press up. Let me see the press ups. Yeah, go on D. Go on D. 5 press up. 1. 2. Wait, don't hit the ground. Don't.
Kira, you want to kill me?
Alright, run and come back now. Run and come. Go D, go, guys. I'm just laughing. Go on D. Go on D.
When I come do
Come,
press
sit ups. Sit ups.
Press up.
Sit ups. Sit ups now. Sit ups. Sit ups. Go sit ups now. Go down more. Go back more, yeah? Yeah. Get back there. Go again. That's 3.
Let me breathe.
You tired, D? Yeah. You tired? Come on. Come on, D. You can do it.
Guys.
You can do it. No. Come on. No weight watching. Look, someone doing this exercising. Go on. Run and come back. Run and come back. No rest for you.
Oh, really?
No rest. Go on and come back. Go on and come back. D is fit. That is it. That is it. Come now.
I'm tired.
Star jump. Star jump. This called burnout. You're burning out. You're doing burnout. You're burning right out. Star jump. Go on, D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's, come on, 8. 8. 8. 9. 8 again. Whenever you stop, you start back. 9.
10.
I never tell you to stop. 8. 9. 8. Whenever you stop.
Kina wants to finish me.
It's called burnout. You're gonna burn right out. So, you finish?
Oh, yeah.
I have to tell you to finish. I have to
Okay,
say
guys.
finish. Run, go and come back. Run, go and come back. Go on, run, go and come back. Run and come back. Hey.
I'm getting so much weight. 65.
65. Press up. It's called burnout. You're burning right out. Burnout. Press up. Burnout.
Enough.
You know, you give up.
Guys, having body goals is not easy.
You better know.
Wee.
It's not easy. That's called burnout. Well done, well done, well done.
I'm going to shower, guys.
Alright, let's walk with your hands up in the air. Walk on your toes. On your toes. Stretch your hands up. Yeah. Put them down. Let's walk.
Hey, guys, Kina will kill me.
Hands
Yo.
up again. Hands up, hands up, hands up. On your toes, on your toes. On your toes.
Kina is cooking too much for me. And now he's killing me.
Come on, turn back. Come. Warm down.
What?
Warm down
What?
session. Yeah, let's keep walking.
Normal?
Yeah. Warm down session.
Hey, guys. Wait.
Alright, blessings. Well done.
Me, I'm fasting.
Fasting.
Yeah, so that I don't do all this. Next.
You just tell me you're finished. You're not finished?
Okay, I'm finished.
Oh. Okay. Come, go relax. That's called burnout session.
It was good. My heart is beating quick and fast. I'm even sweating.
So quick that was.
Yeah. You see?
Quick burnout. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that burnout session.
But it killed me already.
That is the quick burnout session, so you can try it at home. It's
I'm
called
going to shower
burnout.
just now. I'm sweating.
Yeah. Alright guys, so stay tuned for the kitchen part now, you know. seasoned rice. That is it. So today we will make it work. I know dream thing we always make it work. You know, so this is how we're gonna make it work today. As I'm gonna say, it is a run boat style. You tell your friend to go get a pepper. This is sweet pepper. You know, a tomato. Get a carrot. Get an onion. And get a piece of pumpkin. Alright, and we have skeleton and thyme. You know, coconut powder. Cook it down style, you know. Here's the ackee. And we have the jasmine, right? Remember, no saltfish, right? It's a run board, so we have cook with where you have, you know. Take where you have, work with where you have. So I'm working what I got, right, D? So we're working with what we got, right? So it's called a run board. Cannot go hungry in Jamaica. See? Get the ackee. Use $100 a day, and you buy a pound of rice or half pound of rice and some butter, and ask your neighbor for the rest. So this is it, guys, for now. You know, so stay tuned and you will see what's going to take place. So while you're watching, please don't say, Kino, you need to get this, and Kino, you need to put that, and Kino, every one of them style. So this is called a run.
That's not the correct way.
Yeah, and that's not the correct way or nothing, but this is the Kino way. Just like my name the tree, the Kedingo tree. This is the Kino way of cooking seasoned rice. Take where you have. I would say take where you get. Take where you get.
And
so no,
use it.
and use it. You know, so I take what I have and use it. Right? That's why moment say yo satisfy with what you have. So me are satisfied with what we have, and this is what we have. And when it's good in the belly, remember guys, I got good taste buds. I know when something tastes good, I it down. So I will try my best.
But tell me, Kino is a good chef.
Alright, and we have the season when you season to the bone. This I got season the rice to the grain. Yes, so you get this. It's called season to the bone. So we're gonna,
I'm a Jamaican.
so we're gonna season the pot to the grain. Right to the bun, everything, you know. And we have a little natural coconut oil here, natural coconut oil, you know, if you fry up the seasoning and everything. Cause remember, you know, I'm cooking it Kino way, oh I know. So same for the same, anyway you take it. So watch this now, preparation. So now get this thing clean up and everything quick and fast. Get the head them out, get something out, you know, and get them on the stove. Make it go and boil and things. So this is called a run boil style. So if you're in your kitchen watching and you want to go and try this, you feel free. Now just look what's inside the fridge, because that's what we do. We look what's inside the fridge and we work with it. We never have to go to any shop. Just work with what in the fridge, and this is what in the fridge. We work with it, right? So stay tuned. Yes guys, so I'm cleaning out the ackee, you know. Alright, see, Jamaica, some people they can use knife and everything to clear out the ackee. So let me get the knife same way. So the knife is here, but I think it's much easier when you use your finger to take out the head. Pop.
That's why I couldn't bother mash up my nails, guys.
Yeah. So with that now, you can even use a knife and get these spots now if you want, you know. Get them out. Get out the black spot and everything. You know, stay as proper clean. So you still can use it, take them out like without the knife, same way. You can just use your finger and just pluck it out. You know, cause back in the days when people never used to have knife, what them use?
Fingers.
Exactly. I know Ackee about a long time from slavery days, because this is what they used to use to feed the slaves and, you know, food. You know, this is what they...
Energy for them to work.
Yes, because they couldn't pay them, so they pay them with food. You know, so all of these things, they're not from Jamaica, they come from other countries. And then bring them, come plant them here to feed the slave people. Them, because look how clean that is. This is all finger. All your fingers are using.
That's true, guys. Eh?
So this now, proud of using knife. So what your finger cannot do, you use the what?
The knife.
The knife.
To cut through.
Cut through. So
Nowadays I'm speaking like a Jamaican, to cut through. We don't say that, we say to cut through.
To cut through. Cut it. Patois. You know?
Tell you, don't know the tingle.
You don't know how the thing go. That's what they mean. You don't know how the thing go. So how the thing go, you want to use the street, you want to use the pattern, how the thing go, you just work with how the thing go. Right now this man have a work with. Like the look, that's all. You see? Clean.
You know, you can't believe it was a dream just to come to Jamaica to see how Ackee looks like.
That was a dream?
Yeah, I was fascinated, you know, like I was fascinated, you know, like I was just thinking, like I can't wait to get to Jamaica and just see how the Ackee trees look like. Because in Africa, like, no, I can't speak like the entire Africa, but my region, eastern part of Africa, we don't have this. And now here we're being told that fruit can be cooked the way it looks on a tree. And personally, I couldn't get it. So I could just imagine.
You think fruit don't cook, but the fruit, you must say pineapple as well too. You can cook pineapple.
Yeah.
People use that, just like mango. You can put mango in a pot. And you can cook chicken as well too, and put mango in it, and put pineapple chicken. It's just fruit, you know. What's gonna happen if you put a piece of pine in your chicken pot? What's the worst could happen?
Nothing.
Nothing.
You can now put everything, even sugar cane, everything.
Exactly. What will happen?
Nothing.
Nothing.
It's a fruit.
It's a fruit. So if you're a creative chef or you're a creative cook,
you can create your own menu.
Create your own menu. You don't have to follow what everybody cook or how they cook. From it now, pies here, you know. Because for me, you kind of understand cooking. Most things you can't even eat it exactly how it is. I'm not saying Ackee, but most things you can eat it as how it is. So something.
Hey, but I'm going to try a new thing, Kino. You know what?
Which new thing?
The cassava.
Cassava?
I got hooked.
Which cassava?
The cassava we bought on the way from St. Elizabeth.
That's not cassava. You're talking about
the yam. Oh yeah.
The roast yam and butter.
Whoa.
Guys, have you been to that place when you're going to St. Elizabeth? I'm not quite sure. I remember the name of that place where they do the roast yam with the butter inside of it. Yes, we stopped there when we was on our way back from the Maroon Festival and got the roast yam with the butter. You know, so I never had no saltfish because I don't eat saltfish.
And Kino made me not to eat saltfish too.
No, it was your choice.
Because it told me the head looks like a human being head.
Yeah. But most people will say Kino
and I
it's
said
not.
no, I stopped.
Most people will say Kino is not, but it's just a thing when you're growing up as a local boy and thing, you know. So I wasn't really into it. So I just leave it that way. You know? It's not good to buy a pussing bag. Yeah.
Yo.
Just because you buy the fish without the head, you say, you know what, I'll leave it alone. Normally, you buy a fish with head, right?
Yeah.
So when you're going to buy a fish without head, it seems weird.
Yeah, true.
You know?
And you've never seen how the head looks
and
like.
we know how the world is already like to brainwash people. You know, tell you stuff for you to believe and show you stuff. But they want you to see to believe. So, I'd rather not, you know? Even though I used to. People still eat it and body still alive, so nothing wrong though.
Yeah.
Not exactly.
But me, no.
Just choose not to.
Me too, guys.
Just choose not to. So guys, don't worry about because Chua don't eat now and you eat it.
It's still okay.
It's still okay. It's not
enjoy.
It's not the end of the world.
Yeah.
We're still living and you're still living, right?
That is it.
Just like how me eat chicken and you eat chicken, right?
That is it.
That is it. Just like how I don't eat pork and you eat pork, right?
That is it.
So this is it. So Ackee, so guys, so stay tuned.
Keep watching
Wagwan. So let me prepare this and come back. Alright, guys, so see there, Ackee, clean right up. Habra kadaba. From there, from dusk till dawn. So I'm gonna put the Ackee to boil now. While I'm going to cut up my seasoning, prepare it for when time I'm ready to fry up everything. So this is the Kino style. So Ackee going to boil now. You know how the thing go. Ackee in a pot with water in a that. Don't say you're not supposed to wash Ackee. So just water in a pot. scatter that. Alright, ackee a boil. There you go guys, ackee is boiling. This is my seasoning cut up and everything. So we're ready right now. So the ackee is boiling, so the ackee can turn off now. You know now boil out everything out of your ackee and everything. So just watch gonna happen. See that was killing on time to cook it on with coconut powder and everything. That is that. This is it. Ready now for gonna do the ball of roll. So we're gonna put the seasoning in the pot and that is that. So here we go guys. So we have the rice. I'm sure I already washed the rice already. The rice just washed. And I have my seasoning cut up. That's what I said guys. I'm working with what I've got. There's a work with what I have. So right now I'm working with what I have. So this is what I have. So I'm working with this. So ackee boil now already. You have the carrot and pumpkin over there. Your onion, your tomato, and your sweet pepper. You know, and you have your rice. And you have your thyme with a bit of scallion. Coconut powder. And we have the season to the bowl. So this is going to season to the grain. You understand? So right now, let's get the season in. You know how the thing go. Get the season in. Season in the pot. I need a pot. Sorry, that's the season in the pot. Yes guys, I understand. It's not everyone cooks seasoned rice this way, but this is the Kino way. So it's not everyone cook seasoned rice the way how I cook it. Everyone have a different way of cooking, you know, of cooking the seasoned rice, you know. I'm just working what we got in the fridge. So this is what I'm working with in the fridge. So here you go now. Season, I go and cook up everything. Fry. There it goes. So tell me guys, how much are you watching right now? I know when I don't cook it this way, the way I'm cooking it. It's not everyone cook it this way, but I hope you understand. It's gonna turn out to be the same way how you cook it, or you make it taste and everything. Cause trust me, my taste bud is really good. So while that is cooking down and everything, remember the ackee is already boiled and ready. Just wash the rice. I have the scallion and thyme, you know, for when the pot simmer down. You know, the coconut powder, like all purpose. So I don't think I'm gonna use this. Just a little bit of season to the bone, and that is it. So let me get the butter from the fridge. So I also have the butter in the fridge. I remember I'm just working what we got in the fridge. So butter out the fridge. So no Jamaican gold seal butter. Remember the original Jamaica gold seal butter, the margarine. So this is what we're working with. So this is here the pot. Whoa, the steam. So guys, so while this is steaming down, cooking down a little, right? Just to make it get a little stir fry. Then I will add a little water inside of it. That's what I'm going to do. So you cook it with Kino, a little seasoned rice. This is the run boat style. So you can see it farm oil itself. Wow, the steam I get up to the camera. As you can see, it farm oil itself. It farm a lot of oil itself. So as you can see, the pumpkin gets soft already and everything getting soft. It's not everyone cook it the way that I'm cooking it, so Kino is cooking it this way. This is the way, right? So still gonna taste the same way. So we have a little scallion, and we have the thyme, and we have the rice, and we have that. So with that said and done, I'm just gonna add some water inside of it. Oops, just a little bit of water inside of it, you know, because that get the little stir fry that I want, right? So while I get the stir fry, just add a little bit more water to it. Okay, now I'm gonna add there you go. So I'm gonna add a little water to it, cover the pot, let it go and boil a little bit, you know. So when the water starts to boil up, now I add my coconut powder in it. We don't have the natural coconut. That's what I say, guys. We're just working with what we have in the house. So this is called run boat style. You know, when you do home, you can't bother to go shop or bother to do anything at all. So this is what we're doing today. The ackee tree in the yard. So as you can see from early in the video, we just pick the ackee off the tree. And we have rice already in the kitchen. We have little seasoning. We never have all the seasoning. So we work with a piece of pumpkin what we have, you know, and work with what we have. So trust me, it's still gonna taste good same way. It's gonna be finger licking, you know the thing go. So check out the work with what you have. Take with what you get. You know, satisfy with what you have. As you can see, we can't go check no neighbor down here, so you know, we don't know when these neighbors is home. So I work with this guy. So while this gonna simmer down, come back in a minute. Alright guys, so here's the coconut powder. So the pot start boil up, right? As I said, the pumpkin and carrot and everything. So this is called season the pot. So right now I'm gonna season the pot with the coconut powder, you know, as we never have the natural coconut itself, so we work with the powder. Season the pot. So this is the coconut powder. As I say, the ackee already boiled already, so we don't put in the ackee as yet because it's already boiled. So season the pot, season the pot, season in the pot. So I know you're probably watching and say, go on Kino, go on, go there Kino, go there. Oh you mean finger licking in the kitchen. So see, season the pot. So you know while the pot is seasoned, see I mean just like you season up your rice and peas pot, add the coconut powder into that, and then you have your scallion and thyme, you know, drop your scallion and thyme in it as well too. Bang, you know, well seasoned, seasoned in the pot. Cheese. This is all your seasoning in the pot. Look at that, all the seasoning in the pot. Season up there. So that's what called seasoned rice. That's what I call seasoned rice. You know. So you know when the pot seasoned and everything, you know I'm gonna add a little season to the bone inside of it. Inside of it. So it well seasoned to the bone in it. So the season to the bone, mix it up a little bit. So that is it. So that's seasoned up. So you know you have the ackee to go inside. So just make the coconut powder kind of boil out a little bit, you know. the coconut powder boil a little bit, same way, while the pumpkin and the carrot boil same way. The ackee already cooked. Check the fire. Alright, so that is that. That is that. So when you taste a pot here, would have no pimento. No pimento seed, that's what I'm missing right now. Some pimento seed dropping at the pot. Guys, if you have some pimento seed right now and drop that in the pot, same way. You know? Drop some more. This is some all-purpose sauce. Sorry, all-purpose spice. Make the thing nice. So guys, this pot is well seasoned, as you can see. As I said, the rice already washed and all of that. So what I will do now, remember, it's not everyone cook the same way like everyone, right? So it's not because it's somebody that jump off of the cliff, they should fall and jump off of the cliff. So this is how I'm cooking my Caesar rice. How much I want to cook it this way? Remember, there's no saltfish because I don't eat saltfish, you know, and dinner with it. You don't eat it neither anymore. So we're running a boat. This name run boat style is not cooking a proper. So we're running a boat with what we got. So we're working with what we got. So here's when you put in your ackee now in the pot. Right? So you drop your ackee into that. So here you have the ackee in the pot. Well seasoned. So pot cover hot. After that, so the last thing I go in the pot now, you know what I'm saying, is the rice. So the rice I already washed, so make the pot bubble a little bit, like I'm just putting the ackee. Remember the ackee already boiled and cooked already, right? Remember it's called Caesar rice, so it's all in one. Easy way. So if you're overseas watching and you can go to the shop and buy a tin of ackee, you know, get your seasoning. If you don't feel like cook up a long pot, you can do the quick pot like what me I do. It's called run boat style. So that is the run boat style. So they can hear the pot a bubble, bubble pot a bubble, bubble pot a bubble. Listen to the sound. See the run boat style. With the time, schedule and everything. Alright, so okay guys. See the ackee. Yeah, scaling on time. Your pumpkin boil, carrot boil. The carrot is cooked. Carrot cooked, pumpkin boil. And we have Demon. Don't frighten me like that again, please. They almost let me run leave my pot.
You know, like Demon.
Yeah, please don't frighten me like that again, people. Tell them what you're wearing.
So guys, hope you're all doing good. My name is Dee Mwango from Kenya. Mama Africa, please subscribe to my channel as well and subscribe to Kina Life in Jamaica. So Kina took me somewhere when I was in St. Thomas, Fountain Bath.
Bath fountain. Bath fountain.
When I went there, you know the clay that they actually like put and rub on your skin, and then you dry, then you wash off.
And the man was eating it.
And the man was eating it. If you know the tingo, you watch the video because we did that vlog. Doc, you know, I use it as my skincare product and it's really working magic. I don't know if you guys know, like I don't use it for my whole body but specifically for my face, and I love it. It's natural, pure. I just let it dry, then I just wash off and that is it. So that's what I'm wearing because I already took a shower. Yeah.
So guys, as you can see, it's called seasoned rice. How does it
looks
look
so
now?
good.
Alright.
Kina is the magician chef.
So you see with this now, you know the rice is gonna go in next.
Oh, but Kina is always a good chef, trust.
So it's called one dong seasoned rice. So
one dong?
It's called seasoned rice.
Seasoned rice.
With the ackee and everything.
The rice is washed already.
Yeah, so the rice is washed already. So guys, as I say, It's called work with what you have, take what you get. So right now we are running the boat with what we have in the kitchen.
That is it.
That is it. Take what you get. So this is what we have. I eat we get. So I eat what we eat now. So next thing is going in the rice, and then it's going to be simmered down. Cause the ackee boil already.
It's hot. Let me turn on the AC.
Yeah, the ackee boil already. Everything boiled. Everything is cooked. Everything is ready.
The rice
The
next.
rice is next. Yeah, I like how the sauce looking thick and nice. With the coconut powder and everything. Jeez! And it's seasoned to the grain, not to the bone. So this we use the season to the bone, so you know the thing go. So guys, I'm gonna put in the rice now and check it out. So the rice already washed. You know how the thing go. So this is the rice going in. You know how the thing go. Wait, how I go on with that stove there? Don't fall apart. Stove no balance. Okay, balance now. Alright guys, so you see the rice in a pot. The rice in a pot. And it's the right amount and it's the right amount of water inside of it. So put a little bit of salt. Remember, you already seasoned the pot, so you don't want too much salt in it. Right? So now as you can see, it looks pretty. Put a little bit of butter. Here, you know the margarine butter already. In that, just a little piece of the butter. Right. Alright, so there's a little bit of butter now inside of it.
Wow.
Hey, butter in a pot.
I tell you.
Simmer down that, so you don't want high fire with
You already
this.
put in the rice?
Yeah,
Wow.
the rice is inside.
You don't need high fire. Wow.
So guys, so I go on the butter inside of it. You can see the scale and the thyme, the seasoning and everything. So you know, jasmine rice is not a rice what take a lot of water, you know, to cook. It come like basmati rice. It doesn't take a lot of water to cook. So the right amount of water inside with the ackee and the seasoning and everything.
So guys, you see now my face is dry. Can you see the difference when you first saw it? Right here is kind of wet, but other part is dry, and it holds the face. It makes the face firm. It makes you look younger. So when you go to bath fountain, don't miss to ask them to give you this. Carry it with you back home. It's so good.
Alright, so all of your hand, I will make it taste the sauce, the gravy, or the water of the rice. I don't know what people call it. All the hand. Turn the hand up, man. I'm not make it burning. Why you running?
Wow, so good. So good, guys.
And you don't have to tell a lie on the camera right now.
I can imagine now the real rice, the whole finished product. So good.
Right. So make it simmer down.
Yeah.
Right there, so guys, take another look. So see that the rice and it everything right. So you know next thing when that dry down with the coconut powder and everything
Hey.
nice. Whoa.
What?
Whoa, Mummy Michelle, see? You never grew on a lazy boy.
Tell
you know?
Kina is the best. When it comes to the kitchen, making porridge, cooking,
Hey.
Kina is the best.
I love cook, you know? Yeah, so we're back with the run boat style. So now to take a look in the pot. Where's my, okay, here you are looking for your run boat style. So the water probably, alright, that is it. That is it, guys. So the water is gone down and everything. Whoa, watch this steam. So this is it. Run boat style. Come look here, D. Come have a look. Come have a look. Look over right there. Where's my fork? Here. Oh, my fork here. Come look. Have a look, D. This is how it look. When the water go down. Run boat style.
Oh wow, looks so good, guys.
It's called seasoned rice with ackee and most people watching it now, them like, wow, Kino, salt mackerel.
We could use
We
it.
could put salt mackerel inside of it, but that's all is missing right now with some saltfish for all saltfish lovers. So this will have with carrots, pumpkin,
Everything.
you know, all the seasoning, onion, you name it. You know, so we work with what we have, as I can see. Yeah, so I don't want to stir it up too much yet. So make it go and simmer down liquor before I give it a stir. And look at that, beautiful.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Talpi, I said beautiful.
I tell you, it looks so
So
yummy.
season and season rice. So this is well seasoned to the grain, not to the bone.
To the grain.
To the grain, to the rice grain. It's well seasoned down to the rice grain. Okay. So guys, so stay tuned for it. Right, as you can see. Jeez.
And Kina is such a perfect chef. The rice doesn't stick on the ground.
No, you have to know the amount of water to use. You know.
And you don't even use like something to measure. Use your eyes.
It's because you've been cooking for so long. You know, you kind of know to judge it. It's called how you judge it. You know, look at shiny and nice. Look at that seasoned rice, guys. Whoa, my mouth run water already.
Tell you.
Memory card empty. I'm gonna change the memory card now.
He's such a good chef.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. It's gonna be a better end.